Let me know you guys' thoughts on a flip style number 1. This flip wig is perfect, guys. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video, guys. So today we're here with a new innovative wig that they have to offer. Very, very nice, guys. So this is the Doublewear Flip and Go unit, guys, and this is in the color of reddish brown. So this unit is like a wavy texture. It's 22 inches. Now, again, it's a flip and go wig, so let me show you guys exactly what that means. It's a 2-in-1 hairstyle, so you got one cap and 2 looks. And this is actually the smartest thing I've seen. Very, very cool, very, very cute. And this one is definitely gonna step the game up for wigs. So this reddish and brown color comes in a side part right here. As you guys can see, it is a nice closure piece right here. Comes in a side part. As you guys can see, it's a dark rooted area with the reddish brown curls at the end. Now all you're gonna do with this unit is literally flip it over, guys. And on the back side of it, there is another closure piece in the back, and it's the middle part. Now the middle part closure in the back is full on reddish. So you guys can kind of see that goes right down into that wavy look, and the dark roots gets hidden underneath it, so you have a separate wig. So it's a 2-in-1 wig. You have a middle part reddish brown, and then you have a side part reddish brown with a little bit of dark roots. So all you're doing with this unit, guys, is literally flipping and going, and it's very, very simple. Today's video obviously is a same day install, guys, so we're gonna get straight to the point with this wig. We're just gonna go ahead and, you know, manicure the sides or whatever, put a little bit of product in it so it can look lively, and that's basically it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm very excited about this one. I think that this is definitely a really cool way to wear your units, and I love the fact that the middle part is straight red, and then with this one you get a little bit of that dark root. So if you're kind of nervous about it, start off with the dark rooted part and then kind of transition into the full-blown red part, if you kind of know what I mean. So I thought that this was really so starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these adjusters right here so that the wig can fit very secure in my head. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that underneath the cap so that it's very hidden. Now obviously this is side part, so we're gonna go ahead and manicure the side part up. So I think I might do baby hairs on this unit just to kind of bring in some of the parting space, especially in the front right here. I'm gonna have to go ahead and manicure this on up, but no big deal, no fear. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull maybe like a little bit of hair out right here just to do a baby hair like that, just kind of going into that part. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a baby hair right in the front area right here, like a nice soft baby hair in the front right here. Nothing too crazy, just to give it a little bit of a oomph look to it in the front. So I'm gonna pull those sections out right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our hot comb and start kind of making everything smooth up top, and then we're gonna add some product to that. All right guys, so I got her on my head, I adjusted everything, and I decided to go ahead and pull like a little bit of hair out so I can do some baby hairs like right here, just to kind of get her to give like a little character. You guys can see that the cap is right here, but the cap falls pretty nice, guys. Once I go ahead and style it up for you guys won't be able to see any of this on the side. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead with my hot comb, and I'm gonna go and press some of this hair, you know, kind of get everything to kind of look clean and cute. You know, bring everything up like this and kind of separate some spots out, especially back here. We want to kind of flatten out some of these spots. Not flatten it out too much, but just kind of make that parting space more apparent. So I'm just gonna slide the hot comb through some of these areas right here just to kind of make the hair look, oh, I just burned myself. Make the hair like a little bit smooth. Oh, now I'm gonna have another mark on my head. I just can't. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is, before I do any of the baby hair stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Cantu leave-in conditioner, because I want to kind of smooth the top down. I feel like the hair has a lot of volume in it. I want to kind of just like maintain it a little bit by adding some product to it. Again, when we flip it, you guys will see the back side, but we just want to get this style right here nice in the front and cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some product on her so we can maintain her a little bit and get her to lay nice, sleek, and flat. Not flat, y'all know what I mean. Girl, what are you saying? All right guys, so this is look number 1. Absolutely love it, very cute. I just kind of played with the baby hairs a little. I didn't do too much, just kind of made them into like a little swig or whatever. I do like the side part version of this unit. I feel like it's fun, safe, cute. Yeah, be fun and safe. Y'all know my middle parts be kind of iffy, but I'm praying that the middle part style is gonna kill, but you already know it's gonna kill, period. But I do love the color. I actually do like this kind of mix with the darker roots. I feel like it's more natural, and then you guys can kind of see in between the burgundy colors kind kind of, this reddish brown color is kind of mixed. So it's definitely a perfect color blend. Like I said, I would call this more like of a burgundy color. It's like a rich red color mixed with black. So it's definitely that type of vibe. But all in all, absolutely love the side part. Again, I just did like a little baby here. It already came pre-cut, so I didn't have to do anything. And again, this is a glueless unit, guys. You guys can see I can lift this up and put it back down. It is very, very secure on my head. When I mean secure, those little adjusters, you just snap them into place and go ahead and adjust the strap as well too. And the unit is secure on my head. I actually do like this pattern as well too. I would say put a little bit of water in it and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and your curls will be juicy and nice and pretty. It's not even too frizzy, guys. You know, curly hair is going to give you a little frizz. All curly hair is going to have a little bit of frizziness, but this one is not giving too much. I still feel like the hair is nice and maintained. So let me know you guys' thoughts on a flip style number 1. I'm going to go ahead and turn this into the middle part style so you guys can see how I'm going to do that one. So let me know what you guys think about this style right here. Absolutely gorgeous. So you guys can see, you're gonna have to work with it on this side. Obviously, it's not the type of wig that you just gonna walk out, go into a club, take it off and turn it. It's not like that. But if you want to switch up style, it is like that. So this is what the middle part looks like. And again, I said more of the red is shown at the top. So I like this one a lot too, just because I could do a different style with this since it's the middle part. So what I'm gonna do first is try to get this part, the middle part itself, kind of flattened out and clean so that I can start somewhere and kind of see what type of hairstyle I want to do with this one. I was thinking about doing maybe like a bun or something. I think like red hair and buns. I've done one before in the past and just looks super cute on a wig. So I'm gonna see if I could achieve that with this one. Since it is just a middle part, it makes it much easier because you don't have to do, come on Dom, what are you doing? You don't really have to do that much with this one. So I'm gonna see if I could attempt that one. It is a nice clean middle part though. I am gonna add a little bit of powder to the parting space though, just to kind of open it up a little bit more. See, so this is very simple, guys. You're just kind of working with what you have. Like, we're taking the wig and we're going to just style it up or kind of fix it each way. So I like this type of unit just because you can switch both styles up and it's very easy to do it. It's not gonna be you know, professional grade. Like, you don't have to be a professional to do this. It's very beginner friendly. All right, guys, I did a little maintaining with this one. I did go ahead and put some water, a little bit of leave-in can too, and you guys can see it already is very tame. So this unit is very nice both ways. I'm just gonna go ahead with my hot comb and just kind of open up a little bit of this parting space right here. Hope I don't catch myself with the hot comb. Just to kind of give me like a little lift right here. Nothing crazy. Again, this is a same day install, so I would say if you're running out, just do this much and you have a completed style. I'm gonna go ahead and just touch the top of this just to make sure everything is in place. You guys can see it is a nice little slither of the middle part, the perfect amount of middle part, so style's gonna eat, honey. So there you go. Very, very simple, guys, and straight to the point. I love a good hairstyle like that. Well, I use a little bit of my wax stick on here just to kind of smooth everything out here. And yeah, so I think that's basically it for this number 2 style. Yeah, very, very simple. You get like a little middle part action. I am gonna add like a little bit more powder just to open it up right in the front right there. And yeah, so if you want a clean little simple style, like a middle part style, guys, you can go ahead and flip the unit that way. If you want more of that side part style, you can go ahead and flip it the other way, but this is what it's looking like. Let me step back so you guys can see. All right, guys, so that's basically it. I had to step back so you guys can see it. Very, very pretty, 22 inches long. Obviously, this is a wavy texture, curly texture, so the 22 inches is not gonna be like your straight look, but it is still a really nice length. I do like the middle part style a lot too, guys. Just kind of leaving it nice. If you even want to go ahead and cut like a little bit of a light layer on this one to give yourself kind of like a messy bang, kind of like a front bang situation going on, that would be really cute with this unit as well. But if you're someone that's simple, that likes to do your middle part styles and likes to do your side part styles, this flip wig is perfect, guys. This is the perfect 2-in-1 style unit, guys. Very, very simple. And the hair is gorgeous as well too. I literally quickly air dry this hair with a little bit of product in it, guys, and it did what it needed to do. So this hair actually dries pretty fast, and you guys can see the color, and you guys can also see the wave. Very, very gorgeous. Obviously, if you see the inner part, this is what I did with the side part, the flip wig. So you guys can see the hair texture all the way through. It's very, very pretty, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this new double wear unit from Klaiyi Hair. Very, very pretty unit, guys. I love the color for the fall season. It's definitely the perfect color. And whether you want to rock it with the full red at the top or go ahead and switch it to the side part with the dark roots, it's up to you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this styling, because I definitely think that this option number 2 is actually really, really cute. Very, very cute, guys. So as always, I will leave all the information down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit, guys, including a coupon code. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.